Hi everybody, so in the last video we made our program plan, which is the same thing as our pseudocode for our Race to 20 game. And here it is, you can see it. So we're going to print the game instructions, and then we're going to keep looping. And what we're going to do inside the loop that we're repeating is we'll display how many coins are left, and we'll ask the player how many they want to take, and then we'll subtract whatever they say from the total number of coins. And then we'll say if there's no coins left, then display that player 1 wins. And then if there's still coins left, that means it's player 2's turn. So we should display the number of coins left and ask player 2, how many do you want to take? And then we'll subtract whatever they said from the number of coins. And then if there's still coins left after player 2 goes, then we'll say player 2 wins. And then otherwise, if there are still coins left, we hit the bottom here and it says while there's still coins left, go back up to the top, and we're going to repeat player 1 and player 2's choice all over again. So that's the kind of overall structure. All right, so let's, I was about to delete it. Let's not delete it, that's the plan. So I'm gonna start translating this one line by line into Java. So let's display, welcome to Race to 20. You will take turns. Choosing one or two coins. The player to take the last coin wins. All right, so notice that this one idea in the plan ended up being several lines of Java, and that's normal. That's one reason why the plan is easier to think about and easier to look at. It's because you write down in the plan each single idea as one line, but then in Java it ends up being several lines. Okay, so let's make our do while loop. I like to make the do while loop right away so that there's no red, no compile time errors. So I'm going to say do while, but while what? I forgot. Oh yeah, while there's still coins left. Okay, so that means we'll need a coins variable. So up here at the top, let's make an int called coins, and there's 20 coins to start with. So now while there's still coins left, I'm going to say while coins is larger than 0. All right, so now we've got our loop. And inside the loop, we're going to do player 1 turn, and then we're going to do player 2 turn. And that's what we're looping over and over again. Okay, so let's print the number of coins left. So we'll say there are coins left. And now let's get player 1's choice. How many coins do you want to take? I think I'm going to use scanner instead of JOptionPane, just to remind you what that looks like, and also because I like to have it just be sort of based on text here. So I'm going to make a scanner called keyboard, and system.in is the input to the new scanner, and you have to import scanner. So I'll do Alt-Enter and say import. Yep. Okay, so now that I have the scanner, here I can do, oh, with a scanner I don't need a string first. Remember, with a scanner you can just ask for a number right away. So I'm going to say player 1 choice equals keyboard.nextInt. Oh, but I guess I have to ask them the question, right? So I have to say do you want 1 or 2 coins? And then they'll choose. And now in the plan, okay, so in the plan I've done this, subtract player 1's choice from coins. So that's where I am now. So coins equals coins minus player 1 choice. Okay. And now I need to say if there are no coins left, let's say that they won. So here I'm going to say if coins is less than or equal to 0, then player 1 wins. Okay. And now we're going to say if there are still coins left, then let's do all that same stuff for player 2. So here, if coins is bigger than 0, then I'm just going to copy and paste all of this, because this was everything that was involved with player 1, and I still want to do all that same stuff. So I'm going to paste it in there, except this is player 2 turn now. So there are blank coins left. Do you want 1 or 2 coins? Now it's called player 2 choice. And I'm going to subtract player 2's choice from the number of coins. And if there's no coins left, then I'll say player 2 wins. And that makes sense. And you know what I'm realizing now? I'm realizing I wanted to say player 1. Do you want 1 or 2 coins? And here we're going to say player 2. Do you want 1 or 2 coins? Okay, I think that's it. And then, yeah, and that's the end. Okay, so let's play it and see what it looks like. So here it is. Welcome to Race to 20. You will take turns choosing 1 or 2 coins. The player to take the last coin wins. There are 20 coins left. Player 1, do you want 1 or 2 coins? I'm going to take 2. There's 18. 2. All right, let's take 2. Let's take 1. Let's take 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Let's take 2 coins. And it says player 2 wins because they took the last coin. Okay, that looks great. So the code works. Come back in the next video for a couple of odds and ends. We can clean this code up a little bit. I think there's some things that we didn't think about, like we're not stopping the player from cheating. So you could win immediately just by taking all 20 coins, and we're not doing anything to prevent that. So I'll talk a little bit about how to do that in the next video.